Okay, today I'm taking a look at the Wirarpa men's soft cotton trunks. Okay, so we got a nice color variety, so that's nice. And this is the 3X. I do like to have this nice elastic strap on the top. Believe it or not, I've actually got some high-end underwear recently, and it didn't have this, and it kept on falling down as I was wearing it and just walking around, so that's not great. Now these guys do have a small inseam right here, so if you have problems with chafing, this can help with that. But the thing that makes this one stand out is the extra room that it's got right here for your parts to make sure that you are staying comfortable while you're wearing these. So that is a big deal to me. You can see this elastic material, it's almost shiny. Like it feels like a very high-end piece of fabric on here. It has good stitching all throughout. Like you can see, this thing is designed to last. And the material itself, it's a little bit stretchy, but it feels strong. Like this feels like it's made to last. And even on here, you can see it's got 3 lines of stitching. So this is very nice underwear. See, I really do like this blue color. I think that stands out. So yeah, it's a nice 4-pack of high-end underwear. I'm very happy to have it.